It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 20th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Somewhat cooler temperatures today, but the big cool down comes in here on Friday with a weather system coming through the region, and that's going to result in an increase in wind for us. Maybe some widely scattered rain and high elevation snow over northern Arizona and further to the north and west. But this far south, we're not going to see any precipitation, and the cooler temperatures aren't going to last very long either. And there is a chance way out there toward the middle part of next week, we could have our first 100-degree day of the year. So let's talk about it. First, yesterday in the valley, we just missed that century mark. 99 degrees the afternoon high, 69 the morning low. The normal high is 86 and the normal low 62. And as we take a look outside right now at 8:55 a.m., sunny sky here. We're sitting at 73 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point is at 25. Very dry out there. Relative humidity 17%. Winds are light and the barometer is rising. The upper air look shows a mainly zonal flow here across the southwest. A weather system passed by yesterday and that helped to suppress the heights here. So temperatures should come down about 10 degrees versus what we saw yesterday. A much more substantial system sitting off the Pacific Northwest coast, and that's what will be our next weather maker in here for the end of the week. Here's the watch warning map. We still have red flag warnings over parts of New Mexico, Colorado, and West Texas. Northern Arizona, high fire danger continues as well. And you saw that tunnel fire near Flagstaff. That thing just blew up like crazy yesterday. And unfortunately, the fire danger will continue to be extreme here over the southwest for the foreseeable future. The convective outlook for today, a risk of severe storms over parts of Oklahoma, the broader severe weather risk for many of the adjacent states there as well. And there is a marginal risk also on the Oregon coast today. And here's a check at precipitation. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, a little bit of light precip possible over the northwestern corner of the state and points further to the north and west. And that's with our system coming in here Thursday night and Friday. And we'll detail that and everything else going on too as we dive into the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. We've got one wave over Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and the Dakotas. Another more significant system off the Pacific Northwest coast, and that's headed our way gradually. But around here today, it's a zonal flow. So down at the surface, sunny, not quite as warm today. Highs right around 90. Tonight, clear sky, overnight lows in the 50s to around 60. And then tomorrow, sunny, just a tiny bit warmer, highs in the low 90s. And we will start to see some rain and mountain snow further to the west and north of us over the Intermountain West, the Sierra, the Pacific Northwest, as that system is approaching. And the breezes will start to pick up by tomorrow afternoon as well, particularly again to the north and west of us. Now, here we go to Friday, and that system passes through the greater southwest, but just about all of the moisture and dynamic support stays pretty far to the north of us here in Phoenix. So, yeah, some widely scattered rain showers will be possible over northern Arizona, maybe even a high elevation snow shower, and over southern Nevada, Utah, the Intermountain West, the Rockies. But here in Phoenix, all we're going to see is an increase in wind with mostly sunny sky. Southwesterly winds picking up by the afternoon, 15, 25 miles per hour. Could see gusts to around 35 miles per hour for us. And high temperatures on Friday will back off quite a bit, though, with some cool air advection, upper 70s to near 80. Now, that system's going to move out of here, and by Saturday morning, pretty cool start to the day. Lows upper 40s to mid 50s, and then a beautiful day ahead with sunny sky. High temperatures should be, again, upper 70s to near 80. But here comes reality. The warming trend starts up on Sunday with highs back toward the mid, maybe even upper 80s. Should get to the low or middle 90s by Monday. And ridging continues to build in on Tuesday with the main storm track well to the north of us. High temperatures mid to upper 90s. And it's not even out of the question we could have our first 100-degree day of the year here next Tuesday. We're going with a forecast range of 96 to 99, but you never know. That could be bumped up a degree or two as we get closer to the event. Now, here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 27th. We have ridging just off to the east of us. The upper heights are still a little bit above average here. A southwest flow aloft developing in response to troughing to the north and west. So temperatures might back off a couple of degrees, but still a bit above normal if that works out. And then as we take a look out 10 days, this is Friday, the 29th. Troughing still to the north and west of us. The heights coming down ever so slightly. Pretty typical late April weather. The mid-latitude cyclones staying just far enough to the north of us. We're on the southern periphery of those. And about all we ever see this time of year is some increase in breezes, slight cooling as these systems pass by, and it doesn't last very long, and that's how that looks. All right, looking at rainfall for Phoenix going out through the 4th of May, coming off of the European ensemble. You can forget it. I mean, we're in the dry season. This is a pretty typical look here. Absolutely nothing. And temperatures off the national blend of models above average today, tomorrow, and then Friday. We'll see that dip in temps. We might not make 80 there. And then highs warming up pretty dramatically thereafter, getting close to the century mark out toward the middle of next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And music fans, I just know it. You're going to check out my streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music and have a lot of fun doing that. It's myself and the one and only Michelle that are involved in the operation and production of that entity. I will leave a link to it in the description because when you listen, you make me happy. You make Michelle like super mega hyper happy. And I know I would do anything to make Michelle super turbo hyper mega happy. And I'm sure you would too. And that's why you're going to listen. Simple as that. All right, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe out there. Have yourselves an amazing Wednesday.